Hey guys, it's the Tin Man. It's crazy, you guys. Like, I'm up north. I'm an animal person. I've enjoyed watching animals my whole life. I'm 60 years old, and the vultures population shouldn't even be down here, but it is. And I've also been talking for years now on the herding of animals. Herding of the elephants. Last couple of years there, a herd in Africa, a herd in China. They got guided off of their instinctual passage and they ended up dying. Both of these two different groups, a whole bunch of them ended up dying. Like, I'm talking numbers and numbers. And probably into the dozen for both groups together. And it happens with other types of agricultural animals and stuff, these kind of weird events. Anyways, also our eagle, the bald eagle population up here, is just huge. It's gone off the face of counting. And this isn't going to be the only place. So what we have is we have farming. We have farming of plants around the world. The world is 30% more green than it was 30 years ago. So half of my time I've got to watch this green grow, and I'm going, guys, our ozone layer is in okay shape when I was a kid. Anyways, the herding. All of this herding of different kinds of animals around the world also means that they will do the husbandry, the mothering of them, and raising.